I sometimes get asked in the comments about how I do the permit process. I do it all online right here. And as you can see, I'm at the State of New Jersey Department of Community Affairs page. It's nj.gov/DCA/divisions/codes. And you're going to come to this page right here. And there's a lot of good information you could dig through if you want to learn some things about what goes on in the state that you might not have been able to find out. Otherwise, this page will give you a lot of information. But for now, we're going down here to the construction permit application process. Okay, we're going to click here, and it's going to bring you to this page, construction permit application packet and related forms. What we're looking for is right here, okay, to do the service upgrade. I need to submit UCC form F-150, which is the construction permit application. Basically, that's the cover sheet and the manila folder. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on F-100 fillable. Now, I already have this saved on my computer, so I'm not going to fill it out here. But you would need the proposed worksite address. You would need the owner and fee of the property that you're working at, their telephone number, their address. You're going to go ahead and check private right here since you're a private electrician. And then now you're the principal contractor, so your business name here and your business entity. Your telephone number would go here with area code, obviously. The address in which the business is located. The email address associated with the business owner. You need to put in your license number right here, just the 5 last numbers of that code. So I believe there's like 11 or 12, maybe even 13 numbers complete, but we always go by the last 5. Anyhow, and then the expiration date here of your electrical license. That has to be updated every 3 years. Then you're going to have to fill in your federal employer ID number. This is what separates you from being a helper and being a business owner. If you don't have one of these, you're not a business owner. Okay, and then down here, if you're the responsible person in charge, that's going to take responsibility for submitting the permit, paying for the permit, and coordinating the inspections, you're going to put your name here and your telephone number here. Now, the last part of F-100 that you need to fill out is down here. You're going to check if you're a contractor, your name, your address again, your telephone number, and then, of course, your signature. That's going to complete F-100 form. Alrighty, then you want to come back here as well and go to your electrical subcode, which is F-120. That's right here where my mouse is, okay? And we'll click that as well. And this is similar to the manila folder that we just did, F-100. This is what F-120. Okay, so same thing. The block and lot, you can look that up if you'd like. I usually don't. I have the building department do that in case it's changed. Sometimes that information is not available online. Sometimes it is. So the worksite location, the address, the owner and fee, their telephone number, their address. Then, of course, the contractor being you, your business telephone number, your business address, your business email, your contractor license number, the expiration date. You're also going to have to fill out your federal employer ID number right here as well. And then, of course, you put the cost, the estimated cost of the work that you're going to be doing. The state of New Jersey, unfortunately, has a rule. Well, I shouldn't say unfortunately. It might be fortunate for some people. Where if you have unconscionable pricing, the inspector might ask you, why are you charging $20,000 to update this 100 amp service? You might think that's out of line. And if you have a reason for it, well, then you tell the inspector. And if he doesn't believe you, you go before the board and you tell them. Otherwise, you put in your regular amount. So this particular 200 amp service that I'll be doing, let's just say it's $4,000. So that's where you put there. Then up in this section at the top here, you do your signature. Then you print your name here, not your business name, your name. Check off a licensed electrical contractor. Description of work, 200 amp service upgrade, ground and bond to code. And then scroll down here, you have a list of items that you would check in a normal permitting process. You have all these things. We'll go over that another time. But right here where it says amp service, you would put 1, and then you'd put 200. And then you're all set. That's the only things we need to fill out, are those 3 things, are those items I went over. Once you have both sections filled out, you want to print them out. The F-100 form is 3 pages. You want to fill out all 3 pages, print all 3 pages. And then usually the electrical subsection here, F120, most building departments require at least 3 copies. Some don't, some do. I always send them 3. Then, of course, you want to use your state seal that you get from the state when you become an electrical contractor to seal this section of the permit application that makes it legit. That's the only reason why in New Jersey we cannot do everything electronically. It's because we need to show that we have the seal. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks. See you on the next one.